As many of you know, over the summer we've changed our calendar guidelines, and that was part of the Reimagine Teaching course. And I just wanted to make sure that those were clear, and for those of you who might have hurried through the course a little bit, that you're putting the right information on the calendar in the right format. So our new guidelines require each teacher to post an event when an assignment is given to students, including any assigned readings. You should use your class identifier abbreviation, but you won't have to do that with assignments, so it's only for events, and that's only when you give an assignment. And you want to describe the assignment and give a link to it or any resources the student might need to be able to do it. This is going to show up on the day that you give the assignment. So it's a great way for parents to be able to see that, one, maybe you gave them a reading assignment to do tonight, or if they have paper and it's due in a couple weeks, but you gave it tonight. So it gives kind of an idea of what's going on. For assignments, you're going to make sure that you add specific details to each assignment, including the due date and any kind of information that students and parents would need to know how to complete the assignment. So in some cases, this is just copying and pasting. So when you go into the assignment detail box for each assignment, you want to make sure that you have these 4 cues. One is, have you set clear expectations for your students? Have you told them what you expect them to do? Have you given detailed instructions? A lot of us just leave that box blank, and so we want to make sure that we're adding detailed instructions there. And some, like I said previously, sometimes that's just copying and pasting information from the assignment onto the assignment in Canvas. How will the assignment be evaluated? So if you're giving it a paper, is the rubric there? Will there be a quiz? Will this be used in class? And then are any resources that students would need, the handout, video, explainers, are those included in the assignment detail? And I know that's different practice for a lot of people, but you want to make sure that a student from that assignment could have all the detail they would need for completion of the assignment in a successful manner. Remember that since this is different from last year, that you can always go back into the Reimagine course as far as what the expectation is, or to see some samples of what you're supposed to do. But we'll be looking for really more information. So we're making the calendar, instead of having it be a whole lot of extra work for you, we're really making it more useful for students and parents while taking away anything that you might consider to be less than helpful for students.